Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips, where I share effective trading advice and strategies to assist you in becoming a successful trader. In this video, I'll share a most profitable and user-friendly Forex trading indicator for MT4. This indicator will significantly improve your analysis and enhance the precision of your trades by identifying trending markets and aligning with prominent traders' positions. Now, let's take a look at the trading rules for this indicator. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our new videos. Selling at resistance. When the price reaches or bounces back from a resistance level, an indicator gives a sell signal, it's a good time to sell. Set your stop loss at the recent highest point, and aim to take your profit at the risk-to-reward ratio 1:1. Buying at support. Similarly, when the price is at or bounces back from a support level, an indicator provides a buy signal, it's a good opportunity to buy. Place your stop loss at the recent lowest point and target your profit at the risk-to-reward ratio 1:1. Always remember one thing: never take trades against a strong trend. This indicator works well on all time frame. Avoid trading during news releases due to potential market volatility. For better results, focus on trading during the active European and New York sessions. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to take backtest of this indicator, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. You can download this indicator for free, the link is in the video description. Introducing the One Strategy That Makes You Rich course, your guide to financial success. Master trading effortlessly with a single, potent strategy in just 50 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our in-depth video simplifies complexities for easy understanding. Learn from a seasoned expert with over a decade of trading experience. Get exclusive tools, a custom MT4 indicator and template setup. Simplify your trading journey with a straightforward approach to strategy implementation. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join the One Strategy That Makes You Rich course today and take control of your financial destiny. Enroll now and let's make profits together, because success is not just a goal, it's a strategy. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and helps me continue to produce high-quality content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your trading community. So keep learning, keep growing, and always remember that the power to succeed is in your hands. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.